5K. I hope you're having a good morning so far. This is our last math meeting before the weekend, so let's make it a good one. How many days are there in a week? Let's count today just to be sure. Ready? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 days in a week. Let's do the song that helps us remember. Ready? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, 7 days in a week. And today is our last school day of the week, but it's not usually our last school day is Friday. But what is today? Yeah, today is Thursday. Thursday, our last day of the school week for us this week. So today is Thursday. Let's move on to months of the year. Do you remember how many months there are in a year? Yeah, there's 12 months in a year. Let's stand on the ground and sing and dance to the song that helps us remember the 12 months. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, 5K. Thanks for doing that with me. And what month are we in again? I know you remember. What month are we in? Yeah, October. We're in October. And let's take a look at our calendar to see exactly what day in October. Well, yesterday was the 14th. 14. And what comes after 14? This is sometimes tricky to remember what comes after 14. Let's start 1 to count up today. Let's just start from 1. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Today is the 15th. Say 15th. Yeah. And what two numbers make up a 15? Yeah, a 1 and a 5 make 15. Very good. And what shape is today's day going to be if yesterday was a circle? Let's see the pattern from the beginning. Because ready? See the shapes with me. Ready? Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle. Yeah, so today will be another circle. This is oh, this is an ABB pattern, right? Where it has one thing and then two of another. A, B, rectangle, circle, circle. All right, so we're up to October 15th. Let's write it together. If you are able to write right now, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and you can write the date with me. And what always comes first when we write the date? The month always comes first, right? And we are in the month of October, as we said. What's the first letter in October? Yep, an O. And this isn't just any O, it's capitalized, right? Because it's the first letter of a month. So go ahead and make capital O on your paper. Touch that top and bottom line, making your nice neat O. All right, and what is the second letter in October? It's the letter that makes the k sound. Ah, yep. Next, we're gonna do a C, a lowercase c. So go ahead and make a C that touches vanilla in your bottom line, just like that. All right. After our C, what comes next? This is the letter that makes the t sound in October. Yep, this is going to be a T. And to make a lowercase t, remember we go from top to bottom, and then we cross on vanilla. Yeah. What letter comes after the T? Can you tell by looking at this one? Yeah, this is a lowercase o. We have two O's in October, but this one is lowercase. So go ahead and make a lowercase o on your paper. Very good. After we're done with our O, we can move on to our next letter. October. What letter makes the b sound? Yeah, a B. And to make a B, remember, we can go from top to bottom and then give it a belly to the right. Just like that. Very good. And remember, our last two letters go together, the ER. Why do those two go together, really, in October? Yeah, they go together because together they make the sound. October, September, like those. So go ahead and make an ER on your paper. To make a lowercase e, you go between vanilla and the bottom line, you go to the right, and then you make a C. Just like that. And then to make an R, you can go from vanilla to the bottom, and then fix up with a hook. And that's how you write October. Very good. And then what number did we say in October again? If you forgot what day, you can always look at the calendar and see. Today is the 15th, right? October 15th. And as we said before, a 1 and a 5 make 15. 13, 14, 15. Yep. So go ahead and make a 1 and a 5 to your R in October. Make a 1, and for your 5, down, around, and then give it a half. All right. What tiny little thing do we need after our day? Yeah, our cute little comma. And you can make your sideways smile right on that bottom line. Not floating up here or over here. Right next to your 15 at the bottom there. Yep. And finally, we can do our year. What year are we in? 2020, right. And the first number in 2020 is, yep, it's a 2. So you can turn around and slide to the right to make your 2. Next, what number comes after the 2? Yep, after the 2 in 2020 is a 0. So go ahead and make that one. And then, after we have our 0 done, what do we make again? Yep, another 2. So you can turn around and slide to the right again. And finally, we're at our last number, which is yep, another 0. Last part of the day. All right. You know what time it is. You can grab your microphone, whatever you want it to be. You can announce the date with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 15th, 2020. All right, kindergartners, we can move on to days in school. How many days we've had in school so far? Yesterday, on 34, we were on our 34th day of school. That means today we'll be on how many? Yeah, we're going to be on 35 now. 35 days in school. What two numbers make up 35? Yeah, a 3 and a 5 make 35. Can't be 5 with a 3, then that'd be 53. But we're not 53 yet. We're up to 35. Oh, and next, what we do is we fill in our days in school chart. So I will fill in the 35th day in school for us really quickly now. There is our 35th day. You have 3 full columns, tens, and 5 ones in 35. So speaking of tens and ones, I will fill in our tens and ones column for us. How many tens did we say in 35? You can always look at this number here if you forgot how many tens. Yep, there's 3 tens in 35. And then how many ones in 35? Yep, 5 ones in 35. So that's done. We can move on to our pattern. If you wrote the date with me, feel free to write the pattern with me too. That'd be awesome. So say the first 3 parts of our pattern that we have so far with me. Ready? 10, 11, 12. All right. This, we're not going to keep going. We're not going to go 13, 14. We're going to repeat what we have here because it's a pattern, right? Patterns repeat themselves. So if this starts over, what's going to be after 12? If this starts over from the beginning? Yeah, a 10. So if you're writing this, go ahead and make 10. And what comes after a 10 in our pattern here? Yeah, the 11 comes after the 10. So we can make our 11. And finally, our last number in our pattern today, in that sequence of 3, that set of 3 numbers is 12, right? So go ahead and make your 12 for your last number. All right. Let's say our pattern together to double check it to make sure that we have it right. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. It repeats itself. So we know we did it right. All right, boys and girls, let's move on to the weather for the day. Go ahead and check what your weather is, and we'll see if my guess was right. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, my guess for you was that it was going to be cloudy today. So you can tell me if I was right or not. But I'm going to put a cloudy on our graph and we can sing the cloudy song. Ready? It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. Well, how many more cloudy days are there than sunny days now? Look at how much taller our stack is of cloudies. Can you see how many more there are cloudies than sunnies? There are 3 more cloudy days than sunnies. And here's how you can tell. After the sunnies are done, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 more after the sunnies cut off here. There's 1, 2, 3 more. So cloudies are taking the lead for us. Let's move on to our last part of today, which is going to be shapes. All right, I got them. What shape is this? Yeah, it's a triangle. And how can you tell? How do you know that this is a triangle? Yeah, you know that it's a triangle because there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. What shape is this? Yeah, this is a square. And how do you know that it's a square? Yeah, you know that it's a square because there's 4 sides and they're all the same, right? All the same length. What shape is this one? Our newer one. Yeah, this is a rectangle. And how do you know that's a rectangle? Yeah, it has 4 sides, also like the square, but this one has longer sides and 2 shorter sides, 2 long and 2 short. And finally, do you remember what our last one is? This one is a circle, right? Because there's no sides at all the way around, all the way around. So, thanks for sticking with me for your last math meeting of the week. I hope you have a nice, long, and relaxing weekend.